Florida breaking its daily COVID case record with nearly 77,000 new infections reported to the CDC in the last 24 hours. And the White House announcing a plan to mail rapid at-home testing kits to millions of Americans.
Miami-Dade and Broward also working to give out those kits and for free to residents as the demand for testing remains high. Local 10's Janine Stanwood is live outside one of those distribution sites in Pembroke Pines with more. Janine.
This is the South Broward College Library where our tests will start being handed out tomorrow morning. There is still a demand, and we're actually starting to see them once again in stores in limited supply. In some places like this Miami Walgreens, those sought-after at-home rapid test kits are back in stock. But many health experts agree these antigen tests are not always the best at detecting COVID if you don't have symptoms. And the governor doubled down on new state guidance, encouraging people without symptoms to skip a test altogether.
People can do what they want. I mean, we're not doing any type of restriction or whatever, but just going out and testing yourself all the time if you're not sick is very little clinical value.
But epidemiologists say asymptomatic people can still spread the virus, something they've been saying since the pandemic began.
People can be contagious before they have symptoms. That's what makes this virus so difficult to deal with.
We're trying to expand testing as much as possible. We want everyone who feels like they want to get tested to get tested.
Miami Mayor Francis Suarez and other local leaders say they still think testing and vaccination are key to stopping the spread and keeping people out of hospitals, which are seeing an uptick in COVID cases.
Approximately 75% of those hospitalized, 75% are unvaccinated.
Get vaccinated, get boosted, and you are protecting yourself, your friends, your family, your community.
So if you want those tests, several libraries like this one in Broward County will start giving them out for free at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning until supplies run out. Those times are earlier for those libraries in Miami-Dade. For a list of all of those locations giving out those tests, just go to our website, local10.com. We're in Pembroke Pines. I'm Janine Stanwood, Local 10 News.
Those highly coveted tests. Thanks a lot there, Janine. To stay on top of the latest developments on Omicron and the pandemic, scan the QR code on your screen right now using your smartphone, and we'll take you right to the coronavirus section on local10.com.